Okay, so I got one of these things. Let's work on yellow in here. Trying to get this thing so it'll stay here is kind of difficult. Balance it, huh? Alright, so anyway, what you do is you unscrew these little caps. There's a little tiny O-ring right here. And this, that pops up. I'm not even going to, I'm just going to put the O-rings in and I'll save the, because that's all it is, just the O-rings leaking. See, there's really no top to bottom or anything to that, it's just a little collector manifold. Like I said, I could have got away with a bag of O-rings, but he didn't have any, so it cost me $34 for these two things. But I'll use them, because every once in a while these things, when you work on them, they strip out. I don't mind having a couple extras. Never hurts to have a pair and a spare, right? It's starting to rain. I'd like to get this done. Anybody else have lots of trouble getting into plastic bags? I don't know what my problem is, but God, just aggravating. Okay, there's that. Alright, so here's my new little O-rings. As pretty as they are. Take my old O-ring off. Oh, alright, cha. There's my old one. Put my new one on. Hopefully this stops the leak, because I'm sick of smelling diesel smoke. Ugh. Acrid, stinking, rotten. It really stinks. And then the other one's down on the injector stem. So I just did the other. I did that one already. There's the other old O-ring. These actually look like a face seal O-ring. I probably got a whole box of them in there, but I wasn't sure. I really didn't feel like not, taking it apart and not having it. So I just got the right thing. But I should be able to just get a bag of these